Viewers, you're welcome back. If you're really serious about migrating to Canada, you know that it's important for you to have your CV or resume in a Canadian format. And this is what you're going to be presenting to your employers. That's why today I'll be showing you how to create your resume in a Canadian format on the best platform. Currently, we are on the job bank. A lot of people are familiar with this particular platform, but they do not know that you can create your CV, your resume on this website for free. You heard me right. You can build your resume in a Canadian format, obviously, because this is a job platform of the government of Canada. And so this is the best place you can get a Canadian format resume. A lot of people are paying to get their resume in a Canadian format. When you have a free resume builder, even on the job bank, which is even more reliable and accurate because this is the job platform of the government of Canada itself. So you can't go wrong with this resume builder on this website. So today I'm going to be revealing to you this particular feature on the job bank. If you're ready, please, I want you to hit the like button for going extra mile for you, giving you beautiful information such as this. And if you're yet to join the family, what are you waiting for? You're probably missing out on a lot of juicy information that can help your immigration to Canada. So with that being said, let's get started. We are currently on the job bank. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. So when you get here, this is for job seekers. A lot of people are reaching out to me that they want to know how to navigate, how to find job on this platform, because this is a very wide and broad platform for a lot of open positions in Canada as a whole. So a lot of employers post their jobs here. But if you do not know how to navigate through and you're applying from outside Canada and you don't know the right link to go through, you might be wasting your time, because there are jobs that are meant for only people that are within Canada. So if you are just coming on this website without the adequate knowledge of how to navigate your way through as an applicant from outside Canada, you might just be wasting your time. So the next video I'll be dropping would be to teach you on this same website how to see employers that are willing to recruit international applicants from outside Canada. Build a professional resume in just few minutes and make a lasting impression with the resume builder. But if you are yet to sign up, please sign up. You can't sign up on Plus account except you have your express entry profile number. So you can just sign up with standard. So you just create an account with the job bank. So let's pick standard account for people that are not on the express entry pool. So you want to scroll down and click I agree. Then these are the steps you need to take. Put your email address, your language of correspondence, that's English. Then you choose your password, you confirm your password, you click on continue. To be able to save your resume after building it on the job bank so that employers can get to see your resume, you should sign up on job bank if you don't have account. So after signing up, this is what your dashboard looks like. Then you could click on the menu button here and you click on job search. Go down and you see resume builder. So you click on resume builder. You click on sign up. Already signed in. Then it takes you to your dashboard. So you scroll down to see, click on create new resume. Create new resume. So this is what you click on. It takes you to create or build your resume. So the resume builder allows you to create and save multiple resumes in both official languages. If you want to create it in English or in French, you put in your title, your resume language, if you want it in English or French, Then you select your template, either traditional or for youth and recent graduates. If you have work experience, you choose traditional template. There are two different templates that are available. But if you have never worked, you've never acquired any work experience, then you go for youth and recent graduates. So for the purpose of those that already have work experience, let's select the traditional template. Then you click on save. So you can go ahead with building your resume, your contact information, click on modify. Make sure that your information is clear and accurate. Use a professional and generic email. So you need to add your email and your address. You don't need to professional profile or website. If you are on LinkedIn, you put in your LinkedIn account. Then you click on save. So we are done with that part. You can see that it has updated it. We move to the next stage. We are done with contact information stage. Then for the professional summary, this is the part to sell yourself to your employer. Now let's see what they are advising us to do. This session should concisely explain what you are great at and most interested in professionally. So you want to show how you can provide value to a prospective employer. This is your selling point. You must make it so attractive and highly competitive. So reference your skills and experience, why you should be an asset to this employer. Keep it short and powerful. Tailor this session to each job you apply to. Highlight your strengths most relevant to that position. Now you have to show your employer what you have to offer. This will set you apart from other candidates and make you stand out to the hiring manager. Let your personality shine through. So here it doesn't have to be too voluminous. I'm going to click on add so that you can add your professional summary. It shouldn't be too much. You see that the limit here is 4,000 character, so it doesn't have to be as much as that. Just so for an accountant now, detail driven and confident accounting professional with excellent critical thinking skills and analytical capabilities, accomplishes tasks effectively both in teams and independently, are highly adept in defining operational cost and calculating production. Just an example. So when you are done, you click on save. Then we move to the next stage, work experience. If you click on add, you add your work experience. I don't want this video to be too long, so you just add your job title, employer name, city, province, your start year. For this part of the resume, you have to start with your most recent work experience. If you have worked in about 2 to 3 places, you start with the most recent, where you currently are, or your last job, your most recent job. So you fill all these details: your job title, employer name, city, province. I'm sorry, I don't want to be inserting it so that I won't waste time on this video. Year, month, that's the year you started, your end date, and all of that. If you are still working for that employer, you click on present so that you will not have to put end date. Then you put your description, that is your job roles in that particular organization, and you click on save. Your education, you fill it, your program name, your city, your province, year, date, month, then your description too. After you must have filled it, your skills, you insert it, your professional credentials, then your volunteer works, your award and honor, you fill it in if you have any. Then additional section, if you like to include a section that is not already in the resume template, you can include it there. And after you must have done that, you save all the information you have inserted, and you'll be able to generate your me in a Canadian format. And then if you look up here, this is where you can download the resume for free, absolutely free. This is authentic and this is free. If you're having any challenge, let me know in the comment section. I've taken you through. I don't want to waste so much time on this video, and that's why I'm trying to cut it short. If I have to fill it in one by one, it will take a lot of time. So it's very simple. As start sending it to prospective employers. And the good side of it is that you already have even this particular CV on the job bank, and it will be easy for us from this platform to send it to prospective employers. So the next video I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how to identify those employers that are willing to hire international candidate, foreign candidate from outside Canada, so that you can start forwarding, sending this CV that we have created in a Canadian format to them. And it will be so easy because we are applying on this platform, so we'll just be attaching it to your applications. The side about this resume builder again is because this is the widest job platform in Canada, and so a good number of employers, in fact almost all employer, if not all, in Canada list their job openings on this platform. So now let's preview our template. This is how it looks like when you are done with filling in all the necessary parts of the resume. So this is what it looks like: your name, the objective, that's your professional summary, highly motivated business administration graduate seeking a sale, and blah blah blah. Then your education comes, then your skills comes next, your work experience, your and your volunteer work, and all of that, your award if you have any. Look at it. This is the acceptable resume in a Canadian format. Don't need your pictures. I saw some resume that carries passport or picture of. You don't need it. This is the standard and acceptable Canadian format resume. So with this, you can get started and start sending your CVs to your employers. And I wish you the best of luck. See you in my next video.